Hello, welcome to STEM with Mr. Duda, and in this series I'm going to be talking about sensors and exactly how they work and the information that they are sending from the sensor to your device. And in this case I'll be showing you through an Arduino. So stick around. All right, so today I'm going to be talking to you about the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, just to give you a quick understanding of the type of information that it is providing. And I'm going to try to do this by switching from window to window, and I sure hope it works well. There's information about all of this that you can find out, but for the DHT11, the pinout works this way. There's an output which sends a signal. In this case, I'm sending it to pin number 2. On my Arduino, and then there's a voltage in and a ground. I'm sending it 5 volts and a ground. So let me show you what this the programming will look like as far as in your Arduino. So if we look at this code, and I apologize if it's too zoomed out. Let me see if I can zoom in just a moment. This will be a little bit bigger for you. So basically all it's saying is use this library, and if you need the library, I'll provide a link down in the bottom corner for you. I'd be happy to provide you that. It was a little hard to come by, and maybe that's just because I'm not used to looking for the libraries, but I'll put it in the link below. Basically it grabs this library and then it opens up the serial port, which I'll show you in a second, and then basically all it's saying is get the information create something called temperature and humidity, and then go ahead and get the information from the sensor. And so when I go to tools and I say serial monitor, let me switch that for you so you can see what's now happening. Now obviously this will be different depending on where you are, right? But if we're looking, here's my serial monitor, and I'll zoom in for you. Should be pretty straightforward. It sends that information to the sensor. Now, if we look at my programming, I'm the one that programmed the T equals, but then the temperature is the reading that it's getting directly from the sensor. Now, obviously in the library, it's taking some more information and changing it. And this is updating, I don't know exactly how often, but it's running at 9600 baud. So that's the information that a temperature and humidity sensor gives off, and then you could use that information for making decisions. You could watch my Arduino series and learn, oh, I could say if the temperature is this, then do this. You'll notice obviously it is in Celsius. You could also put in a formula to change that to Fahrenheit, or really anything you want. So hopefully that was interesting to you. I'm going to do a bunch of these short ones, but that is the information that the temperature and humidity sensor gives you, and sort of how it outputs it into the serial monitor.